When I moved here a few years back, this big guy was in a spot in the backyard that was very, very intrusive, and it was just a complete eyesore. So I wanted this guy moved, and I knew it wasn't an easy or small job. So I called Chris Johnson from Integrity Air and Cooling Systems. He sent a small team over here to move this guy here, and they were just amazing. They were here on time. They sent me a text when they were on their way. They were very polite, they were very clean. Their workflow was just amazing. They were just at it the whole day. It was actually an 8-hour job. It's very complicated to move one of these things, and they did an awesome job. And most importantly, I'm happy that everything looks clean. All the work is very, very clean and professional. And again, so my experience was overall just fantastic. And hopefully I won't need to use their services again, but if I do, I know that I'll be calling Integrity Air and Cooling Specialists.